How are you, Ben, with Vessel Futures Trading? We're back in the market. We're already in a position. Today we're going to cover the oil contract. Of course, we're broadcasting live from our Discord channel. Thank you for the viewer that updated me that the link was not working. I've updated the link. Now the link is working. Of course, you can find it in the bio and in the description box. Of course, the Discord community is open and for free. It's a free knowledge and a place for you to meet other traders and improve your knowledge. And we're gonna talk today about the oil contracts simply because the S&P and Nasdaq is still on a supply area, although it started to break it towards up. It's easier to trade a different contract when we have the opportunity, so we don't have to stick all the time to the same contract. Of course, there's many contracts for you to trade. We already see how the price fluctuated within the position. I want to show you why we took this long position against the trend. Of course, if you're going to look at the day interval, we already see that basically it's a downtrend going all the way from up to down with a pattern of base drop, and right now we are landed in the demand area. Of course, within the demand area, when we're reaching out the demand area, we're gonna long position it or do nothing. So we chose to risk only $250 in order to get 1500, and I will explain why we did it. I'm gonna go to the 4 hours chart and I will show you basically what we did. We use some indicators, and we use a methodology which is very popular nowadays. It's called Sniper. Sniper basically is a way for us to detect the new demand that being formed when we see that it's an uptrend. How do we know it's an uptrend? Simply because we see that the last low is being breaking. We see over here there was the last low and it's been breaking. That was basically come from here, and now we slowly start to progress to an uptrend, going down for a second check, etc., etc. We see basically how the price behave, checking, rechecking again and again the demand area towards up. So with this being said, I'm gonna go to 15 minutes interval, and we'll see right here that basically this is the new demand being formed to us. And in this position, we chose to extend it towards the higher supply, simply because we see that how the price behave when it rechecks the demand area. We also know that if it's a major demand, it's going to try to achieve a major supply. So within the day, we have two options: either to take this position right here all the way towards this demand, the 13 minutes demand, or the 30 and 15 minutes demand upwards. So we chose to take it upwards. Of course, we're gonna check and reassess and revalue when it reach to those levels. We also see the market profile right here. There was the day's profile, and this is the day and night profile. We're still within the day. We see how the price behave when it reaches the previous day low value, which is the new demand that being formed with the sniper methodology that we implemented. Basically, if we're gonna cancel those two, we're gonna see specifically that this demand is being formed. This is the new demand being formed, and this is how the price reacts when it reaches to this demand, going up. Maybe it's gonna go to a second test over here and go upwards. So we are now looking to get the long position. We already saw that we took a long position from here. Basically, we took the stop us to just below this new demand being formed. We're gonna extend it all the way up. Of course, as a disclaimer, as always, this is just a trending idea. It's not substitution for financial advice. You should always consult with your financial advisor. This is not in any way, shape, or form of financial advice. One more thing. Last week we had 20 new traders each day taking a hot seat. Basically, I gave up 20 hours to this community. In our community, each day 20 new traders got 1 hour session, free session with me. So of course, if you are into getting yourself new knowledge and tools for financial freedom, or if you just want to make another income, if you are a mother that just staying in the house right now and thinking about what to do and how to educate yourself, we have a free knowledge been dropped in our Discord channel. I highly recommend for you to get in touch with this community. And of course, as always, I want to wish you success, and we're gonna cover this position at the end of the day within our Discord community, and expand and elaborate again why we took this position and how long can we take it, how long can we stretch it, either if you're a day trader, if you're a swing trader as well. I want to wish you successful trading, and of course I will see you again in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.